Drones carrying life-saving medical supplies may soon be used as a delivery service in Victoria for patients in difficult-to-access areas. The Australian first testing is being done at a brand new research facility at Port Melbourne.
This is no ordinary drone. It's capable of carrying life-saving medical supplies and can be flown almost anywhere. It doesn't get stuck in peak hour traffic and can be at a scene with supplies in minutes. Its accuracy is pinpoint. For someone suffering a heart attack, it'll be a lifesaver.
We know that there's a 10% reduction in survival for every minute that your heart is stopped. So the quicker you can get a defibrillator to someone, be it by an ambulance or by a drone into the future, could end up saving lives.
The testing is being done at the Australian Road Research Board. Its brand new Port Melbourne facility was officially opened today by Deputy Prime Minister Michael McCormack. It's hoped the drones could be implemented in Victoria within the next 12 months.
We can also drop defibrillators, first aid kits, snake bite kits, anything that's needed out in the bush or anywhere in the cities.
But in terms of the cutting-edge research taking place here at this new facility, the drone testing is only just scratching the surface. Getting driverless cars safely onto Melbourne's roads and ensuring the infrastructure can cope is their #1 priority.
We're at the beginning of the journey, and what the work that we will do over the next 5 to 10 years in this facility with this laboratory will enable the roads of Australia to be ready for a connected and automated future.
Michael Scanlon, 7 News.